Oh my gosh, he's moving.
Good morning, everybody. We are at our campsite close to Tampa. I say Tampa, but all the locals look at me like I'm crazy. It's in Largo, Florida, and I think it's called Pinellas County. I'm learning a lot more about Florida, I guess, now. The site's pretty cool. I mean, it's not nearly as big as the Thousand Trails. This is actually the Encore, which is kind of part of Thousand Trails. They got a pool. Maybe take some shots when we go on a walk today, but it's really nice. Today we're just gonna chill. Kids are doing schoolwork. How's your day going?
Good.
How do you like our spot in Tampa?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, we're gonna take a walk and we'll find out.
Wait, we are? We're going to
We're gonna do our
beach?
laundry.
We're going to the beach? That's
Maybe.
5 minutes
We'll see. We're
away.
definitely going to the beach tomorrow. But we may.
I know that.
We'll see how soon you guys get school done.
Hey, Jack.
So, how are you doing today?
Ready?
Zoe
Colorado.
cuddled with me this morning. She's the sweetest. Sam, how's your school going so far? He usually loves the camera, but today, guess he's not loving it. We're gonna be here for 2 solid weeks, and then we'll be headed out and off to Georgia. And then after Georgia, I still don't have the campsite scheduled for that, but we're gonna go to Georgia. Then we're gonna go to Tennessee, and then Kentucky, and then Missouri, and then I think it's Nebraska. I might be missing a state. I think that's where it is. I'll have to look at the map. So that's pretty much it. And we also originally were gonna go the way that we're going back. We were gonna come to Florida that way, but we ended up changing our plans. And thank God we did, because it would have been a cold one. Oh, another thing too is we just posted our first video, even though we're like 5 weeks ahead of what the videos are posting now, but that was pretty cool. I like this too, because even though we're closer, we have this cool patio. Just makes it feel nice, and the grill's lower to the ground. We can actually use this door now. That's us for 2 weeks. Oh yeah, fix family first out.
There could be alligators in the sewer. Is that fresh water?
If there were, yeah, well, I mean, in terms of if it's either freshwater or seawater, then yes, it would be fresh water. But that doesn't look very fresh to me. It looks disgusting. I mean, who knows? Maybe there's some small alligators running around through here. I don't really know.
Yeah.
But they can't be very big.
That's a big.
Big alligators probably want to be in a few feet of water.
No. During dry season, they would want to be in a pipe. Zoe, are you gonna ride your bike?
Okay, I'm walking in front, guys.
I'll stay behind you guys.
Oh, there's trash. Oh my gosh, that feels better. Boys, come back.
Hey Sam, where are we going? No joke. Sammy, where are we going? I don't. To get the laundry and then the beach. Zoe. Maybe the beach. You mean maybe. Zoe, what do you want? Oh, we go to the beach. Are you excited to ride your bike? Or maybe not. You might not ride your bike though. Yes, I am. Dad, is Zoe riding her bike?
Yeah, she wants to. Hold on, guys. I'm by myself without mom, so you need to listen. Follow Jackson. Jax, do not go too far.
I am.
Go to the right side, buddy. All the way to the right, yes. Come on, baby. Stay behind Sammy. Jax, too far.
Yeah, that's it. Too far. Yeah, Jackson, too far.
No, we're going that way. No, right. Go right. Go right. Go right. This way. Stay on this side, baby. Every time you pedal, your legs are getting a little bit stronger. Oh, you high centered. Here, go to the right a little bit. Turn. There you go. You're right in the middle of the road and your training wheels.
Go inside.
No, you're not getting that stuff out because I want to fold it.
Always have
Hey,
to
Jackson,
walk.
hold this for me. No, I want to bring the whole thing in. These washer and dryers are pretty sweet. They have an app that like allows you to start the washer and dryer, pay for it, and check and see if your cycles are done. It's pretty cool.
Chip Sammy, what's your favorite thing to do? Nothing. Fine.
My favorite thing is to make cookies and cakes.
Cookies and cakes?
Uh-huh.
Zoe.
She's blind.
Let me ask you another question. What?
And I like taking care of my babies.
What's your favorite food?
All of them.
What?
All of them.
You just like everything?
Yeah.
Do you want to tell them about you sometimes try new things and you actually like it? Can you tell them?
I tried the mac and cheese.
What else did you try? Did you remember what about the pickles? You used to like pickles, but you knew now they have spice in them. But now you tried them again, and these pickles weren't even spicy, right? And then you tried pepperoni and you thought it was spicy, but was it still spicy, but you still liked it?
It wasn't spicy at all.
Oh, look at this side. This looks so beautiful, right? See, it looks so beautiful. I don't know what's got into Samuel, but he's being crazy right now. Okay, now he's chasing after me. Okay, now that's... Okay, get back here!
Yeah, I'm not here, buddy.
I need to run from Samuel. He's trying to chase me. So, yeah. You will be definitely running. I'm gonna eat you! He wants to eat the camera, I think. What are you doing? No. What happened?
That's not appropriate behavior for in here.
I'm eating some Zoe food.
No, Sammy, eat Jackson only.
Time to eat Jackson.
Alright, somebody's coming in here. Stop now. Let me see that.
Dad says we have to ask you. Dad says we have to ask you.
Daddy, caterpillar, right there.
It's gonna
Where?
be a
Oh.
butterfly soon.
Oh my gosh, he's moving.
Oh, leave Jackson. Jackson, if it's squirming like that, it's scared. Please don't scare it. That you don't hurt the creature.
Sam, your helmet's backwards.
I don't care.
Well, I do. I don't want you to get hurt.
I won't get hurt.
Well, how do you know? Stay back, guys. Stay back. Whoa, that guy's huge.
Pick him up.
Not picking him up.
I have here.
I think it's a snapping.
Let's see.
Dad, can I get a
That
little?
guy is enormous.
Dad, can I get close?
No.
Black something. Dad, there's something crying.
Get that.
It's a turtle.
What?
Push you in the water.
How would you do that?
Dad, go in the shell underwater.
It bit my camera. It took the top off of it. That was a bad idea. I don't think my camera's waterproof anymore. All right, let's go. Come on, guys, everybody on your bikes. Let's go. I'm gonna come back and look for it. Guys, stop. Your sister's getting their bike. Wait, where's your helmet?
Oh, it's right here. Guys, don't get close to that corner. You need to be on the right side, the same side the cars drive on.
Oh, I keep going towards this one way too fast for me.
Stop at the stop sign, boys.